Yan sa gabi mga kaibigan. Ayaw, ganyan. May face, mama. Huwag sa ano, ayan. Ayan. And you ask your teacher, huwag ka nang maglaro, okay? Just here. No, stay here. Huwag ka munang maglaro. Stay here. Masisira na naman yan. Stay here. Ayan sa gabi mga kaibigan, ang ating kakanta sa stage. Oh.
I don't want to wear this because I have glasses. I'm going to wear glasses.
Yeah, you can wear that when you don't have glasses because it's a heart. It's a heart and you're gonna sing and it's gonna...
I don't wear glasses, I said.
Yeah, you can wear that too with the glasses.
I
And
can't.
after wearing that, you didn't wear glasses all the time.
I'm
Wait,
gonna.
what's this?
All the time I had to wear glasses. No.
Ayan na siya, ready na siya.
Mm.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, play!
Mrs. CJ, kung naglinis na ba si Don Julio? Pick up all the, oh wow, thank you. CJ, I found a, no, Goy, we're cleaning up. That's why we're leaving. One more bola. Goy, one more. Ito, isa. Sige na, mag-clean up. Okay, CJ, let's go. CJ already clean up. Okay, tayo na. Okay. Uy, nandito na lahat. Water? Yeah, you have water. You have my tubig ka. You want more water? Oh, inom.
No, that's water.
Ito na.
No,
That's for school.
water.
Gagamitin talaga niyo yung tubig niya sa school. Okay, let's go CJ. Alis na kami mga kaibigan, oh. Pupunta na kami sa... Ha? Let's go na. Wear your, CJ. Huwag makulit. Yan, saka si Don Julio ay medyo may kakulit. Sige na, sige, asan na yung chin?
Bye-bye.
Goy! Don, asan ang shoes mo, Don? Oh, this is CJ's shoes. Oh, give me one.
Sure.
Okay, CJ, oh. Wear that. Come on, let's go.
CJ, where are your shoes?
CJ need help. Wait lang. Kahintay natin si ate. Go, you can wear your pink shoes, Goy.
No.
Wear the pink heart shoes.
Oh yeah, I'd like this one.
Because that
Skechers.
matches your dress.
Okay, I'll wear Skechers. Okay,
Put your shoes back. Goy, put your black shoes back. You don't just leave it there. CJ, ano eh? CJ, you wanna see Agoy? Ate Agoy singing?
Yeah.
Okay, then get ready.
So, let's go.
Get ready, okay?
We're not going now. We're going later.
Okay, let's go.
Bus?
Punta ka na sa ano ka?
I'm not gonna go on bus. Yeah. I'm not going on bus. I'm going on car. CJ, I'm going on car, not bus. I go on the bus in the
Goy, mong bag, Goy,
in
mong
the
bag.
afternoon.
Goy, you're not paying attention. Your bag. Ayun na. Okay. Duty ang nanay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Yan na, sige na. Let's go.
This is not the way.
Lemon? Kuha na naman ng lemon. Okay, go get lemon. Kung mayroon pa.
I'm saying it's silly. Silly.
There's none doon, yeah. Alright, no more. Let's go in the car. Let's go because we gotta go. Let's go. Sige na. Oh. Alin na, Goy. Bilis. Thank you, CJ. You're welcome, ma'am. Mm. Truck? May book? Yeah, your book truck. Yes. Yes. Goy! Unsa man ka?
I'm up here.
Okay. Bira ko asa ka padulong.
I'm scared. Ouch. My bunny
Be
ear.
careful on your headband.
Last time I hit Fanny got
Little baby.
the last one I got.
CJ, can you help me? Help me please. Thank you. Be,
Look, Mom.
be sit.
Little bunny ears.
Okay.
Little bunny.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
I like it too. You look good.
I did like
Looks
my
good on you,
Skechers.
guy.
This is my Skechers Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Daddy gave me Skechers Thanksgiving.
Yes, that's your, I think that's your Christmas.
Oh,
Your Christmas shoes. Binili ni Dada Kano. Masaya si Agoy-Agoy mga kaibigan.
It is my Christmas. It is my Christmas shoes,
Okay.
Mom.
That's right. It's your Christmas shoes. Are you ready for your song?
Ready, Mom?
Ready?
Yes, ready.
Wow, look at that guy. Look good.
Mama, open the window. Please and thank you. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh, no. See, you don't see
CJ don't want it?
on it. Yeah,
Okay.
you don't want it. Oh,
Let me see.
God.
Okay. I'll put it up. Ayan na kami. Uy, ang lamig.
No.
Ang lamig, uy, ang lamig.
No, it's not.
Okay, ika.
I'm warm. You're cool.
Okay, warm. Ayan na.
I'm warm. You're Billy.
Hmm?
I'm saying it.
You're
Really?
singing? Anong sing mo? Anong sing ni Agoy-Agoy?
You'll see. I'll sing all the songs I have. Guess them. Can you guess them?
Hindi ko narinig yung song mo. Ready na si Agoy-Agoy mga kaibigan ang magkanta
Guess
sa
it.
kanyang.
And to guess my song.
What? Anong song man yan? Paano natin mag-guess yun? I think love.
And that's not the first song. Yes, that's the one.
John, you can bring that one in yung libro mo ha. Dalhin mo yan. Goy, anong song mo, Goy?
Mommy, you can't bring toys or books in my school.
No, it's okay. It's for CJ.
No,
It's only for CJ.
no. The principal see and then you can't bring.
Yeah, you can't yourself because you're a student. You have your own books in school. They don't wanna mix up.
I can bring
So,
stuff.
ikaw lang. Pero si CJ, pwede good, oy. Ano kung
I'm
dili.
the only one that can bring toys.
Okay, isara ko na ang bintana. Malapit na tayo sa kalsada, Goy.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Masira yung buhok mo, Goy. Wala pa naman tayong suklay na dala. Uy, ang ganda ng ano mga kaibigan. Oh, sunrise. Ang aga natin ngayon, Goy. Aga kami ngayon sa school ni Agoy-Agoy kasi
Finally, it's so late.
walang parking. Paunahan ng parking to. Hello sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga.
Okay. Yeah, Maga.
Umaga.
Yeah, Mama. Maga.
Umaga.
Maga.
Oh, galing ni CJ magtagalog. Pwede nang
Hi.
iwan sa Pinas.
Hi.
Si magandang.
Hi. Hola.
Magandang.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Hola, Mama.
Ha?
Hola, Mama.
Ulan?
I said hola.
Oh, ula.
Mami.
Ula. Hi. Ula.
Hola means hi.
Bus.
I know hola means hi.
Yes, ula is hi. Si magandang
Magang.
umaga.
Hola. Megan.
Cute naman ang hidban ni Agoy-Agoy. Mga kaibigan, galing yan sa ano, basurahan yung hidban na yan.
Yeah, we're done.
Yung tinatapon na ano sa mga many years ago na nakuha. Motorcycle. Yes, hala, grabe nag-drive yung motorcycle. Malamig.
I did my cute face. I did my cute face.
You did your cute face?
Brush your side.
Really? Say bye, boss.
Bye, girl.
Say bye, bus.
Bye-bye.
Oh, ayan ang school bus mga kaibigan. Oh, na-meet up mo. O, ganito po dito sa Amerika. O, kapag may school bus, hihinto lahat. O, wow, ganyan.
Bye-bye.
Hihinto po lahat ang mga sasakyan. Oh, ayan, hinto lahat mga kaibigan kasi may school bus. Ayan, oh, hinto lahat. Oh, bawal po kayong dumiretso kapag ang school bus huminto. Yes, he's in the front.
Police car.
Police car? No, I didn't see. Only
I see
bus. Ayan. So, hihinto lahat ng mga sasakyan dito para sa school bus, para sa mga bata na sasakay at saka sa pagda-drop off. Ganun. So, tumakbo na ang lahat. Oh, sila po talaga ang
They're gonna go to
priority, ang mga
Mommy,
estudyante.
I saw a sign when
So,
we were going home yesterday.
Hihinto talaga yan siya. Pati doon sa left and right.
Excuse me.
Yes, Goy.
I saw a sign that goes to Timber Tree.
Yes, Goy, we're going. So, ngayon,
It's next to
kapag nakasakay na sila, may sign, may go sign na po yung school bus.
Time to bus.
So, yes, CJ, say bye, bus.
Bye-bye.
Ang dami pala ng kukunin ng bus na
A
yun.
dog. Dog.
Doggy, bye, doggy. Bye, doggy.
Bye, doggy.
Si CJ, excited na ka sumakay ng doon, school bus?
Mom.
Siguro pag mag-ano na si CJ, umaga, mag-school bus na yan sila.
Doggy?
Yeah, daddy, bakit?
Can we Daddy?
Oh, mamaya na.
Daddy. We need to call Daddy. Here. Mommy.
Yes, Don.
Let's show Daddy.
Yes, mamaya na kayo nag-ano pa tayo.
Dad. Let's show Daddy, Dad.
Yes, we're gonna call Dad.
Hey, Daddy.
Naghahanap kay Dada. Naghahanap kay Dada ka, no? Wow, we're so early. We are so early. Maganda na yung sobrang maaga tayo kay para may mauna kami sa parking kay grabe ka limited ang parking dito. Kunti lang yung parking. You think I'm gonna drop you off, Goy? Or too early to drop you off? I think I'm gonna drop you off here.
No, you can't drop.
Oy, wow, a lot of parking space, Goy. Kasi last time, mga kaibigan, ako ang layo ng parking ko.
I think we need to drop.
That's okay. I'll walk you in the inside when the time. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. We're so early. Yes.
Oh, Mom.
Yes, we're right here.
Oh, there.
Yes.
Some drinking.
Yes, we are right here.
This is for bus.
I know. It's okay.
No.
It's not for bus. I'm just waiting for the parking.
Mom. There.
Sobrang aga na. What, Goy? What, Don? Ano, Don?
Boat ride. Hey, a boat ride. Boat ride. Put there. Mommy. Can I be right here? Because this is for teachers. Teacher?
That's okay. We can park right here, okay?
We
We can park right here because you guys have a show. Okay? So,
I think this friend
they're not ready yet. Well, hindi pa ready yung ano niya. Marami pag maaga mga kaibigan, ang dami kang mga parking lot, parking spot ba na ganyan, oh. So, kami ang nauna dito.
Let's go.
Ayan, sagoy. Let's go. Sagoy, let's go nga. Wala pa man sila, oh. They're not ready yet, oh.
Let's go.
O, sige. Sige mga kaibigan kayo. Mamaya na, Goy. Maaga kasi kami. Kung dito yan sa Pinas, nako, mauna ang sasakyan. Nako, malaking multa talaga. Hello, si Babe Short. Malaking multa kapag ano ka. Mag-pass ka doon. Malaki ang multa. Tapos,
I see Miss Brandon.
she's here?
Yes.
Where?
I already saw her car.
Where's her car?
She ready to go straight. I see Miss Anna's.
Ang dami niya mga guro ni Agoy-Agoy na nakikita niya.
Down there. And walk up there. I think this is fish.
We're not gonna walk yet there. So early. Still early. Malaking multa dito kapag mag-stop ang school bus, tapos yung mga bata sumasakay o kaya'y bumababa mula sa eskwela. Malaki ang multa, mga kaibigan. At saka, pupunta ka pa sa pupunta ka pa sa court. Marami siyang kuskus balungos. Kaya mga tao dito, sobrang madisiplina talaga. Kasi ang proseso ng pamamahala, yung kanilang law, grabe ka, maano sila, stricto. Kaya nagano sila, sumusunod. O sige mga kaibigan na, bye-bye po. Kaya ipasok ko na muna si Agoy-Agoy doon. Thank you po. Bye-bye.